Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly, delicious, quick and easy recipes. We have so many exciting dishes lined up just for you. Your support is very much appreciated. It really helps the channel grow and reach more food lovers like you. Today, I've got a treat for you. We're making perfect roasted chestnuts in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Just 3 minutes of prep time and you'll have a delicious snack ready to enjoy. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Just a few simple ingredients. 1 pound of fresh chestnuts. Make sure they are firm and shiny for the best results. A pinch of salt. This will enhance the natural sweetness of the chestnuts. A splash of water. Yep, that's it. Simple, right? Just 3 ingredients and you're good to go. First things first, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature will help the chestnuts cook quickly and evenly. While that's heating up, let's prep our chestnuts. This step is crucial for perfect roasting. Take a sharp knife and carefully cut an X on the flat side of each chestnut. Be sure to cut through the shell, but not too deep into the nut. This helps them roast evenly and makes them easier to peel later. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Once you've got your chestnuts prepped, place them in a large bowl and add just a splash of water and a pinch of salt. The water will help create steam in the oven. Give them a good toss to coat. Make sure each chestnut gets a bit of that salty water mixture. The water will create steam in the oven, making the chestnuts nice and tender inside. This is the secret to getting that perfect texture. Now spread the chestnuts out in a single layer on a baking sheet. Make sure they are not overlapping so they cook evenly. Pop them in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. Keep an eye on them as ovens can vary. You'll know they're done when the shells start to peel back where you cut the X. This is a good indicator that they are ready. While they're roasting, let's talk about serving. There are so many ways to enjoy roasted chestnuts. Roasted chestnuts are perfect for cozy winter nights, holiday gatherings, or just a tasty snack. They bring a warm, festive feel to any occasion. You can even use them in stuffing or desserts. They add a unique flavor and texture to your dishes. All right, our chestnuts are ready. The kitchen smells amazing right now. Carefully take them out of the oven. They're hot. Use oven mitts to avoid burns. Let them cool for a couple of minutes before peeling. This will make them easier to handle. Now for the best part, eating them. This is where all your effort pays off. The shells should come off easily, revealing the sweet, tender nut inside. They are absolutely delicious. Trust me, once you try these, you'll be making them all winter long. They are that good. And there you have it. Perfect roasted chestnuts in just 3 minutes of prep time. I hope you enjoy making and eating these as much as I do. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. We have so much more to share with you. Until next time, happy cooking. Enjoy your roasted chestnuts and have a wonderful day.